Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be reviewing an expert advisor called the Dark Dione EA. And before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a nice extra tool to combine with what we are looking at here. Now, the Dark Dione EA is available for both MT4 and MT5. So whether you are on a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can run this EA without any issues. So I'm currently on the MQL5 marketplace page for Dark Dione EA. This one is developed by Marco Solito and it's completely free to download, which is interesting considering how much flexibility it offers. From the description, this EA is designed for medium-term trading. So unlike scalping systems we've looked at before, this one is not focused on rapid entries and exits, but more on capturing structured market moves. It supports multiple pairs like the Euro USD, GBP USD, XAG USD, and NZD USD. And it works across different time frames depending on your configuration. Okay, you can see the recommended time frames here are M5, M15, and H1. Okay, amongst other time frames. But one thing the developer makes very clear is that this EA requires optimization experience. So even though it's free, it's not beginner friendly. You need to understand how to configure it properly to get consistent results. Now let's break down how this EA actually works. At its core, Dark Dione is built around a breakout based system using the Dark Breakout indicator. All right, what this means is that the EA identifies a price range within a specific time window and then looks to trade when price breaks out of that range. Now, breakout strategies are generally designed to capture momentum when price moves strongly beyond consolidation, right? But what makes this EA more advanced is how it manages trades after entry. So instead of just setting fixed take profit and stop loss levels, it uses ATR-based dynamic targets. So your take profit, your stop loss, and trailing stop are all adjusted based on market volatility. Okay, this is important because markets are not static. Volatility changes. Using ATR allows the EA to adapt its targets to current conditions rather than using fixed distances. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. The EA uses a global trade management system. So instead of treating each trade individually, it manages positions collectively based on the weighted average entry price. So if multiple trades are open in the same direction, the EA calculates an average entry point and manages exits from there. This is especially useful if the EA builds positions over time. You also have an average trailing stop that moves based on the combined position. This allows the EA to lock in profits across multiple trades rather than relying on individual exits. The advantage here is smoother trade management, but the limitation is that if trades are poorly timed, the entire basket can be affected. Another important aspect is timing control. All right, you can define the exact time window used to calculate the breakout range. Okay, and also control whether entries happen on the current price or only after a candle closes. All right, so this gives you control over how aggressive or conservative the entries are. So overall, this EA combines breakout logic with adaptive trade management and flexible execution timing. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to jump into the strategy tester so we can see how this EA behaves in real market conditions. All right, I have already downloaded the free expert advisor, so I'm going to be heading over to my MT5 right now, and we are going to be testing this EA on Euro USD using the 1 hour time frame. Dark Dione Euro USD 1 hour time frame, and we'll be testing from the beginning of this year, all right, till date. Okay, so let's just start the test right now. So you can see that the EA has already opened the first trade, right? It has already started executing trades, looking for opportunities and executing trades. So if we take a closer look at this, you can see that price had already gotten towards the support zone. All right. So the EA might have identified a breakout around here. You can see, which is why this sell trade was executed. All right, so right here it's exploiting momentum after a build up phase. Let's just allow the trade to keep running, or rather the test to keep running. All right. So in addition to the entries and all of that, remember that instead of fixed take profit levels, the EA adapts exits based on both price movement and volatility. Okay, so let's continue. You can see fewer clean breakouts, and the EA is either delaying entries or entering moves that don't follow through strongly. So this is where breakout strategies typically struggle. So from what we are seeing, the best conditions are strong breakout environments with clear directional momentum, and the worst conditions are ranging markets with false breakouts and low follow through. And just to mention, this backtest runs from the start of the year, right? So we are not just looking at a short sample. It includes different market conditions, which gives a more realistic view of how the EA performs over time. All right. So we're just going to be skipping to the end of this test now so that we can analyze the results together. Okay, so in a few minutes, we should have the test results. And I'm just going to pause the recording and be back once the results are out. Okay, so the results are out. And based on what we can see here, we had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars. Total net profit was just about $45.33. That gives us about 1.5% profit gain, right? 1.5% gain from our account balance. And we had the total trades of 45, 26 short trades, 19 long trades, high win rates on both sides, right? 92% for short, 89% for long. That tells me that, despite the high win rate, we still had just little net profit. So the problem could be maybe poor risk to reward ratio, or that the trades are very little. We can see here that, the profits are very little. We can see here the average profit is 1.88, but the average loss is 7.97. So you can see the difference. All right. Now, these are just historical backtest results, so they don't guarantee future performance. Results will vary depending on risk settings, lot size, market conditions, broker execution, and all of that, right? Because this EA uses adaptive targets and multi-position management, optimization plays a big role. More aggressive settings can increase returns, but they can also increase drawdowns. So it is important to test different configurations and find a balance that works for your trading style. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.